result is pure white. RGB color model. The RGB color model defines color using the following components: red R, green G, B, blue RGB. The red, green and blue components are the amounts of red, green and blue light that an RGB color contains and are measured in value ranging from 0 to 255. When you add red light, blue light and green light together so that the value of each component is 255, the color white displays. When the value of each component is 0, the result is pure black. HSB color model. The HSB color model defines colors using the following components: hue H, saturation S, brightness blue HSB. Hue describes the pigment of the color and is measured in degrees from 0 to 359. For example, 0 degree is red, 60 degree yellow, 120 degree green, 180 degrees cyan, 240 degrees blue, and 300 degrees magenta. Saturation describes the vividness or dullness of a color and is measured in percentage from 0 to 100. The higher the percentage, the more vivid the color. Brightness describes the amount of white that the color contains and is measured in percentage from 0 to 100. The higher the percentage, the brighter the color. Grayscale color models. The grayscale color model defines color using only one component, lightness, and is measured in values ranging from 0 to 255. Each grayscale color has equal values of the red, green, and blue components of the RGB color model. Color is mixed differently depending on the medium. For example, dye, type of dye, oils, acrylics, watercolors, fabric paint, and even mixing with help of some computer software. These colors are not exact and will show up differently on different monitors. However, you may get an idea of what a good color wheel would do for you. Some rules to help your color intuition. Different rules apply to different fiber techniques as well. Weft has to be considered with weaving, as print needs to be considered with quilting. Surface design requires knowing what color interaction is going to take place when one color is laid on top of another. Pattern weaving shows up better with a blend of color or tone on tone if not a solid. Lace knitting shows up different in light color ways. CorelDRAW supports the following color models: black and white 1-bit, duotone 8-bit, RGB colors 24-bit, CMYK 32-bit, grayscale 8-bit, palette 8-bit, lab color 24-bit. Textured fill. Texture fill puts the power of a texture editor at your fingertips. Hundreds of preset textures can be edited both randomly and through precise settings. Resulting in millions of possible texture fills. Texture fills are accomplished by selecting an object with the pick tool and clicking on the fill tool to open a flyout. Click on the fourth icon to open the texture fill window.